Some dash cams are marketed as full vehicle security systems at budget prices, but the real-world performance and supporting evidence often don't fully match the claims. Strap in. Today, we're breaking down what this dash cam promises, what the available evidence actually supports, where it may deliver value, and where the marketing could be misleading. If you're buying this expecting a full-blown, ultra-secure vehicle surveillance system for very little money, you may be in for a rude awakening. On its official website, the Osmo Plus One Dash Cam claims an impressive feature list. It advertises front and rear 4K cameras, improved night vision, 24/7 loop recording, and a 170-degree wide-angle lens designed to capture everything around your vehicle. The company also claims the device is recognized by German insurance companies and promises installation in just 2 minutes. The pricing adds to the appeal. The Osmo Plus One is listed at $149, marked down from an original price of $299.99. On paper, this looks like a stacked deal. Dual 4K cameras, wide-angle coverage, night vision, loop recording, and easy installation. If the front and rear 4K claim holds up, that alone would be impressive, considering many dash cams still operate at 1080p or 2K. The website also promotes a money-back guarantee, free shipping, and premium customer support. For basic use cases, such as urban driving, daytime use, and general accident documentation, this dash cam could provide meaningful footage compared to having no dash cam at all. That said, there are some important caveats. First, there are currently no widely available independent reviews that fully test this exact model. That means most of the information comes directly from the manufacturer, which always requires a degree of caution. Second, the claim of being recognized by German insurance companies is vague. The site does not specify which insurers, under what conditions, or whether this recognition applies outside of Germany, making the statement feel more like marketing than a verifiable endorsement. So, who is this dash cam actually for? If you're an everyday city driver looking for simple front and rear coverage, and you're comfortable relying on manufacturer claims without extensive third-party testing, the Osmo Plus One could be a reasonable option. However, if you live in extreme weather conditions, require full parking surveillance, GPS tracking, discrete hardwiring, or proven long-term reliability, this becomes much more of a gamble. The verdict is a cautious yes for certain use cases and a hard no for buyers expecting premium, install once and forget performance. If this breakdown helps you avoid buying hype disguised as technology without doing your homework, then it's done its job. Next time, we'll dig into a dash cam that claims 8K UltraVision with AI-powered incident detection. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips.